Well, I've done a few videos, and now I've been thinking that those were just showcase videos. What if I make a really cool boat while I'm making it? So, like, yeah. So, well, this boat is not having any, well, how do I say this? Like, it has a small plane, a small car. Right here we have the car. And maybe a flying drone. Now, yes, we will be starting right now. So, should we start or what? Guess we should start. Yeah. Ready, set. Oh, wait, you know what? We also are going to use a whole box of Legos. This thing is full of Legos. As you can see from the top, it's full of Legos. So, that's going to be a lot of Legos. This should be more than enough to build our boat, because it's going to be pretty big. Now, because I don't have a boat base plate, so that's why we're going to be using this. Let's start. Finished. I think it's pretty good, though it is very messy. I will clean that up later. So let's go to the first floor. We have a little kitchen. It's really hard to see, but as you can see, there's a stove, and then there's a sink right there, which you probably can't see, but there is. There's a little TV there. Now, I haven't really furnished this a lot, so yeah. Then, well, that's pretty much it. We have an air conditioner right here. I will be adding a sofa and all of that. But for now, let's go to the second floor. Oh, by the way, there's windows. The second floor is what's mainly detailed. Now, the second floor of this little houseboat, as well known, it's really hard to, well, first of all, it's really hard to put on to, like, get it all right. So, first of all, let's go here. We have a few windows. I don't know why. We have a door. We have a little dining table, you could say, I guess. We have what controls the ship. It's like what makes the ship go backward, forward, like the cabin, you could say, I guess. Then we have the helicopter, drone type thing. So this thing is a drone that can hold people, so it's practically a helicopter. Then we also have a little car right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little car. So we have all three transports. We have boat, which can go in water. We have a drone that can fly, and land transport. So this is practically an all vehicle. Now, thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys should think I should do in the next one. Maybe I could make a really big helicopter, a really big car. I don't know. But, see you soon. Bye. Adios. Okay, progress report is now over. Let's continue. Ready, steady, go. So I finally finished. Took a long time. Well, this is the final product. Right here, my bros. Or people, or YouTubers, I don't know. So, let's start with the front. Now, the front is kind of like an airplane thing. You know an airplane? Yeah. It's like this is the window, except on the boat, this is the cabin, which is kind of weird, because the cabin should be here. You know what, let's just go on to the next thing. So, my friends, I may have talked about the drone. Now, the drone is practically pretty cool. You might have already talked about it in the half-part video. So like I said, there's a control pad and all of that. And then it can slide. Woohoo. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So now we have this part. This is like what holds the car. So as you may remember, the car was really actually in here. Oh, and by the way, this is stairs. So like sometimes ships dock from the back. And this is the stairs for that. So yeah. So the car was originally in here, as you can see. But now I changed it to here because you know what? Yeah. Let's just, yeah. So anyway, we have some space here. Now I'm not really sure what this is gonna be for. I just added it. So comment down below what you could think this really small space could be for. It's really small, by the way. So yeah. Maybe I could I don't know, send some photos on this one. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so this is the staircase. You know what? First let's go to this area. This area, the door does not open the door does not close fully. Why? Because the staircase part is in the way. I tried my best to remove it, but it didn't come out. So when I close the door, that's in the middle. You see that red thing? So, yeah. Also, it is actually full. It is, from the back wall, it is, open. So, hello? Can you see me? Hello? So that was pretty cool. Also, we have the cabin. I think I already talked about that. Yeah. So we have the cabin. Now we also have this flag. This flag is really something I really wanted to ask you guys. What do you guys think this means? What I think personally, I think it means is INEXII. Wait, did I say means? Sorry. What it spells, because, well, it's hard to pronounce. Inexi? I'm not sure. But whatever you guys think, make sure to comment down below. It will be on the back, right here. Okay, now we also have a drone. Now this drone can actually separate its eyes. Yes, and it's really like a satellite, like beep 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 beep. So, and it can also hold things with its eyes. Not practically, but from the underside. Because let's take this alarm for an example. You can see that. It'll just stick on from the backward or forward, whatever. So now the entrance to this whole mechanism guy thing is right here. So yeah, let me turn the ship around for you guys. So you can see that right here, right? Now the doors ought to be open if you want to go in here because, well, it will be easier, in my opinion. Yes. So let's have this guy go up. Well, he is the cabin centenary. So he'll step on this like this. He'll go like this, or forward. Then he'll go like this up these stairs and then into the cabin. Now right here are the stairs. They're kind of rainbow colors, so that's kind of surprising. Yeah. Oh yeah, did I show you the AC room? Yeah, the AC room is not really private. This AC room is like, right here. You could probably see 2 windows. Those 2 windows are actually, so this is not really more of a private room. And this is only 1 room. So like, maybe this could be the bedroom, I guess. The family bedroom. I guess this could be the family bedroom. I mean, yeah. I kind of forgot to make rooms in this thing. So there's only 1 room. And that room is the family bedroom. It's also having AC, so that, yeah. You know what? Let's carry on. Let us carry on our adventure. So you may see this black 3 dot brick, correct? With a red brick under it and another white brick. Remember this, okay? Remember it. And oh, by the way, you may also see an entrance. Also remember that from the black to that. So remember that. Okay. Now let us go to the first floor. Let us. So, we have this area. Now this area, this is the AC area. Now, yes, this is the AC area. There's a good old TV. There's a lounge chair and an AC right there. Then we also have an alarm system right there. Now, this is the kitchen. The kitchen may get flooded, actually, so that's kind of gonna be weird. Yeah, I will be trying to add something in the kitchen, like a door, maybe. I'm not sure, but maybe a door. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is chimneys. These are chimneys right here. You see them? Yeah, they're red. There's a red one only because there's a stove right there. And then we have a stove, like I said. It's a 8x2. It's like, there's like, well, yeah. Sorry, it's an 8-pack stove. Cool. So like it's a 4x2. And then we have a sink. A sink right there. We have a counter slab and another counter slab. You need lots of counter slabs, you know, bro? Yeah. And you also need storage. Storage is practically in the cabin. Now, oh yeah, I wanted to share something with you. But to do that, I forgot to show you something on the first floor. But to get there, we need this guy. Well, let's have these two both go, okay? They need to go upstairs. Now, as we may all know, jumping is not an option. I mean, you're in the water, dude. You're in the water. How do you even get out, first of all? That's like the first question. Yeah. So there's this little secret passageway. Okay? So let's have this guy first go here. He'll go here, beep, 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 beep. Okay, then he'll guide up, but then he'll see that there's the drone part stuck overhead. So you can see that. There it is, the drone part. The drone pad, actually. Yeah, I think pad is a much better word. So he'll have to crawl until he's out of the drone pad area. Then he'll go up, and then you remember that black 3-dot red and white brick? Here it is. And then you saw that there was an opening right there, right? So that's how you go up. So let's do the same again. Like this, up, crawl, and then up, and opening, you're there. Okay, so like I said, there's like 3 floors on this thing. That's pretty cool. Wait 1 minute. Okay, so now that they're on the top floor, right? So let's see it on this one. So now they're on the top floor. Sorry, they have to go upstairs again. So like they're on the 3rd floor now. Now the 3rd floor is practically the cabin, so no babies allowed. And right there is a seat. There's like, I'm pretty sure I told you guys already about this, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Anyway, there's actually a mode I never guys really told you. It's called the playful mode. So the playful mode is a mode that if you press it, it's actually really high up. So if you press it, babies are allowed. None of the controls will work, like a car, but when you don't start it. So it's like this thing. It keeps going, but the controls don't work unless you press the button. It's exactly like a car. If you don't start it, it won't work. And you can also use it for babies. Plus, that because there's a key, and if you know what? Yeah. So like you can use this as a room. By the way, it's AC. So we also have an alarm. Yeah, like I said, this room was AC, but we also have an alarm. Now, this is not really an alarm. You can also use it as well. You can also use it as a windmill. It will give off energy, and where that energy will be transmitted to, so like the generator, you could say actually, is right here, and then the power storage, where the storage power is right here, in here. You see that? It's really small and dark, but right there. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like on this video and make sure to subscribe so that you can get notifications and when a new episode or video comes out. And also hit the notifications bell if you want to know if a new video came out. So adios, we shall live.